Hi and welcome to this course Modern Python 101 Workouts. If you are a beginner or if you want to practice your basic Python programming skills, then this course is for you. And if you have taken any of my earlier courses, then you know that my content is pretty dense and it is packed with a lot of information. For this course, I have carefully selected 20 workouts, and these 20 workouts are going to cover all of the basic aspects of Python. And as a bonus, I have also taken a couple of questions from HackerRank. So there are three main sections in this workouts. One section is for your warm-up, so it has a couple of questions. This will help you to get started with these workouts. The next one is the main workouts. So as you can see, we have a lot of workouts. And the last section is for the HackerRank problems. Each of the problem comes with its own problem statement. So if you click on any of the workouts, you can see I have a nice documentation on top and you are expected to solve this problem. In case if you are not able to solve this problem, then obviously I have a video in which I cover the solution line by line and word by word. I have also placed all of my solutions right at the bottom. So let me just collapse all of this. There is a folder called as solutions, and inside of this I have placed all of my solutions. Whenever you are in a doubt, you can always click on this and you can always check out the solution. So I hope all of this sounds interesting to you and I hope to catch you inside the course.